What's up, India? Welcome back to the channel. We are here again at the capital of Nagaland, which is Kohima. And today, as you can see behind me, we are at the War Cemetery. Now, this war cemetery was established in 1946 to give the regards to 2nd Division of British Army of the Allied forces who died here. So there are 1420 graves that has been established out here in the memory of those soldiers who fought here in the Second World War. As you can see behind me, this is the cross which symbolizes the main structure of the war cemetery. There's a beautiful sight around. So I'm ready to go to the Hornbill Festival. जो यहाँ से cabs वगैरह है वो BOC से मिलती हैं. ये एक point है before the center, and you can look how the cabs are lined up out here. And there is no bus service as such. Zama is roughly 15 kilometers from here, and what they charge you is 50 rupees per individual. They'll drop you, and similarly you're gonna get the service from there. I'll sit in the cab. We are about to leave. How much? 20%. So भाई साहब ऑफिशियली एंट्री हो चुकी है हमारी हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल में, और यहाँ पे 20 रुपीस पर पर्सन एंट्री चार्जेस दिए गए हैं, जो कि कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है. अंदर क्या फैसिलिटीज़ होती हैं इसके बारे में हम अंदर जाके देखेंगे. ये सारी ट्राइब्स की एंट्री हो रही है एक एक करके, और सारे रंग बिरंगे कपड़ों में अपनी ट्राइब को बताते हुए आ रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर कुछ फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स की यहाँ पर एग्जीबिशन है, उसमें आए हुए हैं. हाँ, ये मैंने खाया था, ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. ये लहसुन, ओह दिस इज़ रियली स्पाइसी. इसमें कांटे लगे हुए हैं, मुझे मालूम नहीं है क्या है, शायद अमरूद के तरीके का कुछ है, क्योंकि ये सारा का सारा अमरूद का डिपार्टमेंट है. ये मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ किसी अमरूद में यहाँ पर कांटे लगे हों. डिफरेंट वेराइटीज ऑफ फ्लावर्स आउट हियर. ₹10 per piece. I'm gonna try that. I've tried it before and it's really yum. So I'm gonna try this one. One of the best pineapples that you can ever have. Lovely. So in case this looks like a boat, this is not a boat, it's actually a drum played by the locals, and when they get something in the dream, they gift it to the girls. And this is really kind of fascinating. There's more to Hornbill, we're gonna see. There's a lot more. So we are at the Form Tribe. Can I ask your name, sir?
It's Neil Long.
And Ongla. And you guys been doing this for how long? This morning. So we started this morning.
Gets the strongest and the fearless.
Okay.
Yeah. That one, and these are the design of our own traditional trace. Okay, and these are the skull of the enemies, and these are the monkeys that we are a peaceful tribe.
Okay. So the monkeys display the peaceful.
Yeah, peaceful. Yeah. Okay, and the hornbill, this bird, it indicates our like design, means our pride. We are proud to be being our tribe, right? This one, and this 11 indicate the means about the strongest. We are more strong. We are more powerful. This 11.
The elephant.
Yeah. Okay, and this mitun, right? This indicates the richness. We are rich.
Okay.
Right? Yes.
The bull or
We said mitun instead.
okay. The mithun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. Okay. And these are a seal that we use in war.
Nice.
And these are the bell. That means whenever the elder person died, we used to indicate that this bell has it used to be ring.
Okay, so whenever somebody dies, you use.
The elder means one of the elder in our village, right?
Okay.
And if they die, then only this bell can be used.
Okay. And what can you tell me? Can we go inside and see?
This is a lock drum. We say lock drum.
Lock drum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Means like in ancient time, there is no any like information to be connected, right? Yes. So in order to know the people, in order to call the people, we used to play a lock drum. That we have something emergency, right?
Okay. And what about the elephant?
That's why I said that this elephant is strongest. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is
So one of the strongest tribe in Nagaland.
We are warriors, right?
Nagas are all warriors, I suppose, right?
But every means tribes have our own significance.
Yes.
Right?
So how many tribes do you guys have in total?
16.
16?
Yeah.
I was told 11.
16 means like some of the 5 villages are not considered much, but if we combine all that, then but the main is 11.
So main 11 tribes?
Chari, Bochari, so and so, right? These are like means different part of Naga, but there's including the Hornbill. So I'm considering on Hornbill there are 16, but the real is Nagaland 11 tribes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 11 major tribes.
Yeah, 11 major
and
tribes.
you have 11 districts also.
Yeah, we have. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So guys, I'm happy to introduce the Konyak tribe from the Mon district of Nagaland. I have Moba Konyak.
The president of Konyak Sturinian and Kohima.
So I want to know about, you had headhunters in the past, right?
Yes.
Okay, so do they still exist?
No, it has been like completely banned. It does not exist anymore.
Okay.
Because like we want a complete peace in Nagaland. It has been stopped practicing by all the Naga tribes. In the earlier days, we have been like head hunting for like land disputes or many kind of issues or disputes and all.
So it is said that the person who had many heads on his name, he is the strongest in the tribe?
No, it's not like that. But then like it's kind of a heredity that he will or she will be treated as a queen or a king from a family where she or he belongs. Whoever has a head or killing many peoples, like he will be regarded as a warrior, not as a king.
Do you have the elderly people still alive who were headhunters before?
Yes, those people are still alive now, but the practice has been stopped.
Yeah, I understand the practice has been strong, but the people are still alive.
Yeah.
Okay, and if we want to meet them, where can we find them?
You can find in every corner of a village where like they have a head hunting for their land dispute or for different kind of disputes and all.
Okay.
Like as I say, like disputes means like land or like a revenge or kind of revenge for one another, like from family to family.
And where can you guide me if I want to meet any of the elderlies?
You can visit any village of Konyak or any kind of any other tribes.
I was there in Wokha, I couldn't find anybody.
In Wokha, you may not find, but if you visit Mon district, Mon district, you can find in many villages.
Okay, any specific village that you want to name?
Longwa,
Longwa,
Changlangshu,
Topu village.
and then in Topu, there are many villages under Topu sub area like Changlangshu, Pishao, Yongkao, and there are many villages under one subdivision.
Okay.
So you can visit those villages if you want to find out how this head hunting has been happened.
You heard him. So the Konyaks and the other tribes are at peace with the other tribal society in Nagaland and in any other state to say. So I have so many Naga friends to say honestly, and they are one of the best people, one of the best food that you'll find out here. So if you're here, do try out some food and meet those lovely folks and be friends with them. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Over the last 19 years, the Hornbill Festival has become one of the most important tourism events, not only in India, but also worldwide. It is acclaimed as one of the best events for showcasing rich Naga culture and tradition, preserved over the years in the form of music, dance, food, and culture.
everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is Raj Singh saying goodbye.